hi. What is this? This call instructor. Weird, they look weird. I put some filter on my face, you know? It's so weird, yeah. I put it with myself because when I record video and I see my face like this, I have more confidence.
Hi. Hi. What are you? I'm a unicorn. Come with magic. Oh, really? I can't believe it. Yeah. How's it going? I'm good. How about you? I'm fine. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Ding, 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 ding. Hi, Nancy. How are you doing? Hi, Juan. I'm doing well. How about you? I'm very great, thanks. What are you doing, Nancy? I'm singing. Wow, you're a singer, right? Yes, I'm singer. Can I see your voice? Of course. La 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 la. Wow, your voice is very beautiful. Thanks, Juan. Let's sing together. Of course. Thank you. La 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 la. Bye bye.
Da di da da di da 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 di da da. Oh, hi. I am No Dang. I come from Florida, USA. Wow. Hi, No Dang. How about Thailand? I like Thailand because the people is very nice and very kind, and I like the food. Wow, you like the food Thai in Thailand? Yes. I like somtam. Somtam is a great. I feel very happy in Thai. Hi, Dandy.
Hi, Dewey.
What are you doing?
I'm just eating rambutan.
Wow, that's interesting.
You want some?
No, I don't like rambutan.
Why you don't like rambutan?
Oh, the taste is very weird for me.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for your information. See you next time.
Bye bye.
La 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 la. Hi, Marky. Hi, Jenny. Oh, long time no see, Marky. How are you? I'm great. How about you, Jenny? I'm great too. Oh, where are you going, Jenny? Now I want to go to the beach with my friend. Oh, the beach. Can I go to the beach with you? Oh, of course. Okay, let's go to the beach together. Go. Bye.
Hi, Nancy. Hi, Yaya. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm great too. What's your daily routine like? I wake up early and I take shower and then I make breakfast for go to school. Ooh. What time do you get up? I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Oh, you so get up very early. Oh, yeah. Thank you for your answer. Yeah, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Hi, Shopee. How are you? Hi, Lazada. I'm so and you? I'm very good. What would you like to eat today? Coffee and sandwich. Anything else? A banana? Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Hello guys, today I'm come with my Chicky. Chicky, can you introduce yourself? Yes, of course. My name is Chicky. Today we're gonna dance together, right Chicky?
Taning, 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 taning. Hi, my name is Sarah. Hi, John. How are you? Hi, Sarah. I'm good. What about you? I'm nice. Do you have any plan on Friday? I don't have any plan yet. Wow. Would you like to play badminton with me? Yes, of course. Okay. See you.
Hi Nemo. Hi Minnie. Are you free this Sunday? I don't have any plan for now. Wanna join us? We are going shopping at the Central World. That's so good. How many you are going? 2. Sarah and me. Okay, cool. I mean. Just all of me. Love all of you. Oh, enough. Oh, JJ, what are you doing here? Nancy, and you? How about you? What are you doing here? I just wanna practice my voice, my sing. Oh, but you are singer, right? Yes, I am. I am a singer, actress, model. Yes. And what you gonna practice more? But I didn't go all that way. Oh, I see. Okay, I will help you. I will practice you, okay? Oh, really, JJ? Yes, Nancy. Okay, so we go together. Yes, go. Thank you. See you then. Bye bye.
Ring, ring, ring. Hello, Farah. Hello, Katie. Are you free this weekend? Yeah. Why? Oh, I feel like going to the beach. Would you like to come? Sound good. I miss to the beach too. Cool. Okay, let's go to the beach this weekend then. Okay, great. Bye. Bye.
Hi, what's your name? My name's Snuggy. You know Snuggy? Yes, I know. I see you in the forest. Whoa, really? Yes, I had you. Because you look like a person. I'm afraid you.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lisa. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to read books and listen to music. Yeah? What about you? I like to watch TV series. What is your favorite TV series currently? Now, I'm so into the Penthouse. It is Korean TV drama.
Hi, Lala. Hi, Fanny. How are you, Lala? I'm great. And what about you, Fanny? I'm great too. Oh, Lela, what is your favorite song? Oh, I like the song from a Frozen movie. The name of song is Let It Go. Oh, can you sing a little bit of that song? Yes, sure. 1, 2, 3. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Wow! Your voice is amazing, Lala.